Hi everyone, and welcome back to another pair of anime recommendations from me, Paul the Teen Librarian, at Mulligan Hill Branch of Gloucester County Library. So first up we have Fruits Basket. Fruits Basket introduces us to Tora Honda, a high school girl who has recently had a bit of a family tragedy, which leaves her living on her own in a tent. She's soon taken in by the rich and elite Soma family, where she accidentally stumbles on their secret. The family is cursed, with each member representing one of the Chinese zodiac signs. This includes hot-headed Kyo, who represents the cat, who, as the legend of the Zodiac goes, was tricked into missing his chance to be in the Zodiac. To make matters worse, whenever one of them is hugged by someone of the opposite sex, they temporarily turn into their Zodiac animal. While all this may sound like it would make for a zany comedy, that's only partially true. The great thing about Fruits Basket is that it has a little bit of everything. It has action, comedy, drama. Toru's endlessly loving and optimistic attitude makes her a super likable character, and you'll really get drawn into learning more about the Soma family and its interactions between family members. Season 1 and Season 2 are currently streaming now, and Season 3 is coming soon. Next we have After School Dice Club. Now I feel I should preface this by saying I don't think this is necessarily a fantastic anime, but the board game aspect really does it for me. Miki is a super shy high schooler who wants to know what it's like to make friends and have fun. Soon she gets whisked away by a fellow classmate, and the two of them find their class rep going into a board game store past curfew. They follow her in, and thus begins their fascination with board games. What's really interesting about this show's use of board games is that all the games featured are real, and after watching them play a game in an episode, you'll get the feeling that you understand the rules and could play it too. While the art style of the characters is typical, like anime, kind of generic looking, the board game aspect of the art is very detailed. They look really like their lifelike counterparts, and when they go into the store, it's just surrounded by boxes of real-world board games, and it's really cool to see. They have some familiar games in here, but lots of it was stuff I'd never seen before, and it was a real fun new way to be introduced to some new titles. Each episode typically devotes half its time to the characters and their lives, and then they'll get together and play some games. The writing is good, the character designs, while not amazing, are nice, and the portrayal of board game playing is dramatic enough to keep your attention. It's not every anime that can make me want to add some new board games to my collection, and I appreciate it for that. So there you have it, 2 more anime recommendations from me. Have you watched any of these, or what are you watching on the brand new fall lineup? There's a lot of new anime that's available right now. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you soon.